Good morning to all. Welcome to the news. Today's news is brought to you by K. Subhashima from 5th A. Navjot Sidhu to meet Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi in Delhi today. Can send lunch to Amarendra Singh's retort to Arvind Kejriwal. Facebook, Google officers summoned by Shashi Tharoor led panel today. ICAI-CA exam 2021. Supreme Court to hear plea today, seeking postponement more exam centers. Will give governors memorandums seeking repeal of farm laws, says farmer leader Naresh Tikayat. BJP protest at 1,000 seats in Maharashtra today over quota in local polls. Today's sports news. Indian team arrives in Sri Lanka for limited over series. Sure, India will win plenty more in the future. Kane Williamson after WTC final trip. Today's weather report. -36 degrees Celsius, partly cloudy today.